when real crimes of Kurri become real hearings at Cessnock Local Court. Yes, when defendants plead not guilty to charges at Kurri Kurri Local Court, a hearing happens over here at Cessnock Local Court. Kurri and Cessnock are part of the same court circuit. They aren't set up to do hearings at Kurri, so it's a quick trip over to Cessnock. In early January, the first Kurri hearings for offences in 2024 happen here at Cessnock Local Court. The charge is standing an unregistered car on a roadway, which allegedly occurred in July 2024, somewhere in Kurri. The defendant has shown up at Cessnock, however, has changed their plea to guilty, so the hearing is off and they move on to sentencing. Story goes, the defendant, who's maybe in his late 20s, parked his unregistered car out the front of his house. The offence occurred on the 26th of July 2024. The defendant, who's unrepresented, explains he didn't realise parking the car out the front of his house was an offence until the notice came in the mail sometime after the 26th of July. He moved the car once he realised off the road into the front yard of the property. However, he gets another notice in the mail for the second offence, again for standing an unregistered car on a roadway, but this time the offence occurred the next day on the 27th of July 2024. By the time of the hearing, the car is registered. He argues for leniency on the second offence because he did not have enough time to move the car because he hadn't yet got the notice for the first offence and realised his mistake. The magistrate sentences the defendant to a good behaviour bond for 6 months. If he doesn't offend in the next 6 months, no conviction will be recorded. So sometimes Kurri Local Court matters are listed at Cessnock Local Court for hearing, but pleas can and do change on the day, and then the hearing is off. There were 2 hearings at Cessnock on this day, and the other is also a Kurri Local Court matter, so stay tuned for the next part.